Top 5 best NFT marketplaces on Ethereum, Solana and Flow. The hype on NFTs is unbroken. NFTs have made many millionaires over the last months. And absolutely everybody can join this game. Flip NFTs and become super wealthy. Let me show you the top 5 best NFT marketplaces so that you can join the game, take action and jump on this one-time opportunity as soon as possible. Before we start, let us know your favorite NFT marketplace in the YouTube comment section below this video. Let's do this. Here is the top 5 NFT marketplace. Number 5. NBA Top Shot. The Men's and Women's National Basketball Association has put up the NBA Top Shot, an NFT marketplace from the top basketball leagues in the world. You can purchase collectibles of memorable moments, videos, highlights and artwork here. Using the Flow blockchain, the NBA has created this as closed market, where you can only purchase and sell on Top Shot. This website makes it simple to register and make purchases, and the collectibles are also reasonably priced. Not all though. In February 2021, a LeBron James slam dunk video NFT sold for more than $208,000. By the way, don't miss my other video on how to list NFT on Binance NFT Marketplace. It's a fantastic marketplace with huge benefits. Check my tutorial on how to make and sell NFTs on Binance. You will find this video at the top right corner, below or at the end of this video. Let's continue with number 4, STRMNFT. One of the newest NFT marketplaces this year is STRMNFT. They have been very kind with features like offering free minting. Also, they hosted competitions with our $10,000 prize pool. The platform was developed by StreamCoin and makes extensive use of its in-house technology. The NSTA 602 NFT standard is one of these that enables users to tokenize video ownership. The dual delegated proof of stake is also included to achieve what they claim is a processing speed of 300,000 transactions per second. Finally, the platform has chosen to employ its own blockchain, StreamChain. Due to its significant speed and energy efficiency, the platform's success makes it one to watch in the future. For more valuable videos around making money with crypto and NFTs, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Number 3. SOLANART. The Solana blockchain's first and biggest marketplace is called SOLANART. Users who intend to utilize SOLANART must therefore have wallets that work with Solana. These include, among others, wallets like the Phantom, Ledger, Solid and Glow wallet. A database keeps track of every sale of each individual NFTs. As soon as a sale occurs, an automated system transfers the soul to the seller, who then realizes the NFT to the buyer. For each NFT purchased on the platform, Solana charges a transaction fee of 3%, in addition to an advertising cost of 0.02%. Do you want to learn how to flip NFTs for thousands of dollars? Then check out the YouTube description box right below this video for something huge. Also, make sure to join my free training, where I show you how to copy-paste my $2,265 per day system. Number 2. Nifty Gateway. This is the place to go if you want to invest a lot of money in NFTs or get access to expensive collectibles. The merch and artwork collection by Artist Pack that sold for $91.8 million was one of the most expensive and exclusive digital art pieces ever displayed at Nifty Gateway. This market offers some distinctive features such as hosting purchase NFTs. The NFTs you purchase doesn't need to be stored in your wallet. Rather, you can directly store it on the platform. And to increase demand, the platform uses open editions, a system where you can purchase new NFTs as they release within a limited time frame. Before we go to the number 1 NFT marketplace, I just wanted to say that I will be highly appreciated if you can share this video with your community. That will help me to produce more videos about how to making lots of money with cryptocurrency. Thanks a lot. Number 1. OpenSea. Without a doubt, OpenSea is one of the most well-known NFT marketplaces. It's the home of the most well-known NFTs, including CryptoKitties and Bored Ape Club. Due to its enormous success, OpenSea has become synonymous with the term NFT Marketplace. However, this enormous success also gave rise to a great deal of controversy on the site. The platform has been plagued by numerous reports of hacking, piracy, thefts over the years. OpenSea, however, offers a lot of platform's flexibility. It contains NFTs for many blockchains, allows up to 150 payments methods, and even has a gas-lex minting tool to combat Ethereum's excessive gas fee. These were the top 5 best NFT marketplaces on Ethereum, Solana and Flow. What is your favorite NFT marketplace? Write your favorite NFT marketplace in the YouTube comment section below this video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Leave a like and share this video with your community. That's everything I have to say. Take care, bye bye.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.